reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is a video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for Pisceans. You. Let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. People who are born from 19th of February to 20th of March are Pisceans. Let's see what's in cards for them. So friends, as I always tell, this is a generalized reading, so pick and choose the advice that suits you most, because I try to give whatever messages come to me. There are multiple people reading this reading, going through different stages in life. That's why I have to give the messages that are coming to me. So select and take the advice that suits you most. So we start with your energy oracle card. We have Angel of Balance energy, which is surrounding you guys in the coming month. Now, Angel of Balance energy is very much suggesting that you are either trying to attain balance in your life in the coming month, or you are already feeling balanced in your life, in the different segments of your life in the coming month. So let's see what the cards have to unravel. We will start with your relationship card. We have the World card in the reverse position in your relationship segment. Now this card is somewhere suggesting that your world is upside down in relationships. So you are going through a big turmoil somewhere, big turmoil, because it's a World card and your world is upside down. So some of you might be experiencing breakups or separation, temporary or permanent separations. Some of you might be experiencing fights and misunderstandings and distancing from your loved one. Some of you might be experiencing a total change of or total shift in your relationship status, whether it is a marriage, whether it is relationship with your kids or your family. Overall, I can see a major shift happening in your relationship. The healing is very much must in the relationship. So that is a message for you. Try to heal these relationships if these matter for you, matter to you. And before healing the relationships, you might have to heal yourself, because there has been a big turmoil which has really led you, which has really hurt you a lot, and it has hurt your heart chakra. And there is a possibility of blockage of heart chakra over the period if you don't heal it in time. So take care of yourself, heal yourself, and then move towards healing your relationship if they really matter to you. Otherwise, just hold on for some time. In time, you will know how to manage the relationships well. Try to use rose quartz crystals, because the angels are advising you to take support of crystals. Rose quartz will really help you to enhance the love energy. Use rose essence in your life. That will help you to feel at peace, and self-love will increase. That will help you to give a little more confidence in terms of handling your relationships well. Coming to your career, friends, we have Six of Pentacles in the upright position, which is pretty much showing balance in your career. So if you have been planning something, yes, there is a balance here. There is a support from the authority. You will be getting your dues for the hard work that you have been doing. You will be appreciated at your work if it was meant to. You have been if you have been being tested for something, yes, you will be awarded and rewarded for your efforts. So just be really careful over there that you're managing these people well. and this is because of the past karmas. That is, whatever you have sowed in your career life, it is going to reap you rewards in the coming time. If at all you were planning to learn some skills, yes, this is a time that you will be guided by somebody and you will be taken care of by somebody in terms of your skill development. Also into your work, you will be taken care of. In industry, if you are planning some business, if you're a business person, yes, there is somebody who is going to support you financially in business, and that person is going to do justice to your work and your caliber. Coming to your finances, temperance card we have, which is a beautiful card, which is suggesting a huge balance in your huge shift in your financial segment, but it is a balancing energy, it is enhancement energy, it is a growth energy in your financials, which we can see. So be friendly with nature, be friendly with the situation and circumstances, you will reap good rewards financially. Coming to your health, we have Hierophant energy in the reverse position. So somewhere your spiritual growth or your psychological growth seems blocked. Somewhere you are not able to get your healing in place. You are not able to reach the right person to get yourself healed. Somewhere you will feel total drop down or drastic drop in your health situation. Now this is going to be a transformation phase for you in terms of your healthcare segment. So just be extra careful. Even if you feel a little pinch in your body, just try to get proper help and a proper physician help or healer's help, so that you don't lead into a major mess in the coming time, because your health is going through a big transformation. Universal light is aligned. I'll try to align with the universal light and it will help you to heal faster. It's the time for you to connect with the divine self. Crystals are going to give you, they are going to empower you, they are going to give you strength to deal with the tough times. Especially rose quartz is something which is really connecting with me right now, because you're going to go through a little tough time in relationships. Also try to have black tourmaline, which will help you to stay away from any negativity and which will try to heal your health if you're feeling very depressive, because the Hierophant energy card is very much in reverse position, so it shows that your connectivity is looking blocked. So just try to use these two crystals and try to attain a balance and handle this month with peace and ease and maturity. I hope this reading helps you guys. Pisceans, take care. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksh by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruksh by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can, ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know, what do you think about videos? Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to especially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care guys. Very good luck to all of you.